Dr. Cooper, I'm sure you have read and you have heard people talk about the nomination of Alhaji Adesina and what happened to him during his visit to the Senate, which was televised live, I think it was, regarding his involvement in the assassination of Bola Ige. And people are saying that that kind of person should not have been nominated in the first place.
Alero, please, with all due respect, just because some persons, you see, we must move away, especially media, we must move away from stereotyping in this country. I was there and I happened to listen to some of the comments that were made by your good self and Kayode about the petroleum thing and all that. You know, trivializing very, very important issues. You know, media must not be judgmental. Media has to be objective. If there are rumors or if there are issues that somebody committed an offense and has not been taken to a court of law and has not been found guilty, and you say that because of that, if the man is deserving of being appointed anything, he should be denied. It is unfair. It is unfair. We, in this country, it's either we decide to go by the rule of law or we want simple anarchy. You cannot, I'm sure you're talking about the gentleman from Osun State. The man was accused. He was also detained. But, the police, they released them. There was nothing found against them. And that was so many years ago. Why should you now say that it is okay for the Senate to ask that question? But it is not fair for you to sit here and say that that man should have been nominated. That is extremely being judgmental and it's unfair.
Dr. Okupe, I don't think you were listening to my question. I said some people have said he should not have been nominated at all. Nobody is being judgmental here. We are referring to things that have been said by Nigerians who have a right to make comment on things that are happening in their country and current affairs.
Well, I'm sorry, from my point and from where I'm sitting here, the audio is not so good. What I heard you say was that, you said that kind of person should not have been nominated. But if you say that there are comments like that, so be it, even on your television just a few minutes ago, when you were talking about power, some people said, we don't have power in my area for 2 days. Some people say, it has improved. So people can have comments. It's a free society. There's no problem about that at all. If some people felt that because he was associated with that incident, he ought not to have been nominated, that's fine. Obviously, some other people feel otherwise. That's why he was nominated. That's not an issue.